Okay, is it recording? I guess it is. Okay, we're discussing Miley Cyrus's terrible shorts. Look at that. Wait, there. You see that? You see that? That right there. Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah. Okay. This. No.
Ew.
No, Miley. Miley.
Ew.
No. Okay, girls. Education. Miley Cyrus. No, actually, this isn't about Miley Cyrus. We'll get into that a bit later. But
Yeah.
Okay, seriously, this is the front. Wait, where's the camera? This is the front, right? Camel. Wait,
Camel.
See that? Wait, where is
Camel.
it? Wait, where is it?
Right
Hello
there.
there. Hello. Yeah, that is a camel, Miley. Yes.
You have a camel in your pants.
Yeah, you have a camel in your pants, and like from the back, it usually looks like girls have like those.
Looks like the
strange
savannah.
looking butts that like come out at the back.
Yeah, but the butt is at your front.
Yeah, it looks like you have boobs in your bum. It just looks
Boobs in
wrong.
your bum.
Like it's wrong. It's wrong.
It's not
We just
right.
wanted to let girls out there know that do not invest in this. You see this?
In that. Those shorts aren't really. They're tacky.
Yeah, like
Tacky.
just if you're gonna wear short shorts, just wear short shorts. Don't do that to yourselves, please, ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just wrong.
Just let it all fly.
Just let it fly. We just
None of
wanted to
this
say that.
tucking in crap.
Yeah, just this. Wait, where are you? No. I'm sorry, but no. Don't ever do that. To you all, no camels, no strange looking boob butts. It just doesn't work.
Just keep that in mind.
Don't do it.